Boom! What's up, ladies and gentlemen? It's Jeremy back here again, and I got a little something in the mail today. I thought my Gainz box run was over, but apparently another one showed up. So apparently the subscription is still active, but I'm not complaining because I like getting mail. I love getting mail. Who doesn't like getting a little bit of mail? So this is a Gainz box. I'm going to unbox it and review it for you. Hope you like it. If you like my content, you know what to do. Click the like button, subscribe, and most of all, share it. Share it with a friend. Again, I love these curated boxes. This whole box concept is something that's been around, I think, for a few years with different types of boxes. They got shaving clubs and all kinds of cool stuff, but this ain't a shaving club. This is a Gainz box. Boom. So here we go. Again, nicely packaged, open here. They just taped two sides of it. So we'll get this off of here. Throw those over there. And let the Gainz begin. This is right there in the front of the box. Flip this bad boy open. And that's what it looks like there on the inside. Just like that. All right, so looks like they got some cool stuff in here. Fitness delivered. This is Galatians 6:14 on this one. And all right, let's get into this one here. So this one, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, I think that it said it was curated by Rich Froning, who was the strongest man in the world. I believe they called it on CrossFit or whatever like that. If you're into CrossFit, he's a good athlete. So anyway, let's get into this. This says Mayhem Nation. It's the first thing right on top, and this is a t-shirt. T-shirt, Mayhem Nation, and this is a extra large, men's XL. So this is a men's extra large t-shirt here by Mayhem Nation. I've never heard of Mayhem Nation, but I will open this up really quick so you can see what the shirt looks like. Okay. And, all right, it's this little t-shirt here. It's extra large. The arms are cut out so I can show the guns off right there. Got this here in the front, Mayhem Nation, and in the back, a nice logo there. So this would be cool to work out in, you know, hang the guns out the shirt and work out. So that's item number one, a nice t-shirt here. Can't beat that. Never can have too many sleeveless t-shirts if you lift weights. All right, next thing. We got Mayhem Nation pair of socks. So, as you guys know, you can never have too many socks. Never can have too many socks. We got the socks here. Let's see what we got here. And this is Mayhem Nation socks. Let's take that off of there. There we go. Whoops. Mayhem Nation socks right there. And I'm pretty sure this box is curated by Rich Froning. If it's not, I'll make a correction in the description. So anyway, shirt and socks first. There we go. Put that there. Get rid of that. And let's dive into this one here. Love these kind of things. I don't even know what's in it, but I love it. It is Biofuel Multi-Nutrient Dietary Supplement. It says Performance Elite, and the company is Advocare. Has 2 grams of creatine monohydrate, 16 grams of beta-alanine, and 500 milligrams of L-carnitine, which is cool because I've been wanting to try L-carnitine anyway. So this is actually good. It says here it supports and increases energy and exercise capacity. We can always use that. And it helps enhance stamina and endurance. So this is cool. Has the ingredients here on the back. Typical ingredient list for a supplement. So I'll check that out. You know, the creatine monohydrate, they say it's good. It gives you a couple extra reps. Carnitine is good for burning fat and energy. And then the beta-alanine is another one that's good for that strength and endurance. So we'll definitely be trying that one out. Thank you very much. And let's see, look, what's this here? Victus CBD Therapy Cream for pain relief. Victus CBD Therapy Cream for pain relief. So I've tried various creams, CBD creams. I think they work pretty well. Never tried Victus, but we're going to give this a shot. It says it's 1,000 milligrams. This bad boy is 1,000 milligrams for this one. It says for pain relief, maximum strength. And let's see the back of if there's anything else in the back here. Active ingredients, CBD. That's good. And that's pretty much it. It has some other little ingredients in there, but CBD is the main thing. So thank you for that one. Victus CBD. I'll let you know how I like that. And now we're going to jump into these little guys here. This is by Advocare Spark, vitamin and amino acid supplement. And this is like a little energy stick here. You pour this in your water and drink it. And this will be like a little bit of a pre-workout type of thing. Energy, it doesn't say pre-workout, but it's more like energy, which is good. And that one's called Spark, and this one is called Biocharge. Amino acid, vitamin, and herbal supplement. Peach and wild berry, natural and artificial flavors. Advocare is really doing their thing here. This one has amino acids, vitamin B12, vitamin B6, folate, leucine, isoleucine, taurine, cat's claw extract, green tea extract. So this is pretty comprehensive, so I can't wait to try this out. Thank you very much for that. So this company is, again, Advocare. Never heard of that one. So there we go. Back in my day, there wasn't this many companies. There was like protein powder, it tastes like chalk. I think it was Metrex. There was something called Ultimate Orange, and then I think Designer Protein came out or something like that, and theirs was like the best one when it came out. So I'm old school. So now we got, this is cool. Anytime I say anything like this, I like it. It says Frawning Farms. So this is Rich Frowning's box. I knew I'd get to the bottom of this. Frawning Farms Bison Stick. 7 grams of protein, 90 calories. So this is cool. These are cool little snacks. This is something you can have in the console of your car. Something you can keep in your bag. So this is definitely a nice little snack here. And this one is all natural bison. All natural bison. It's a little bison stick. So this is cool. Little break from the beef jerky. And the ingredients look pretty natural here. All good stuff. There you go. And again, it's 7 grams of protein. I know that's what you guys want to know, because all the lifters will care about is how much protein's in something. Put that there. And I got another one here. And these are both original. So there's 2 Frawning Farms original. So I think Rich Frawning must own a farm or something with a bunch of bison on it. And then we got, oh, this is cool. If this is what I think it is, nice. Okay, this is, you're never gonna have too many of these. It's a nice little lunchbox here. This is Renaissance periodization. You open this and you got a little box here with 2 compartments. So you put your protein here, carb there, protein in the bigger compartment, carb over here in the smaller compartment. And that goes there. And then we have on the top here, ooh, look at that, man. That's pretty cool. I like that. It's a little place to keep your silverware. Right there, so that's cool. That's cool. And this covers that up so your silverware stays clean, or your plasticware or whatever, but I imagine you could put regular stuff in there too. But this is actually cool. This is a nice little container for meal prepping. You know, you guys, if you look at my videos and scroll down, I talk about the importance of meal prepping for your daily success and your fitness and longevity goals. And that's it for the box there. We got, this is a little bit of a pamphlet here that they put in each box. And this one just tells you everything about the box. Tells you what's in it and all that good stuff. So it gives you a little description of all the things that came in the box. So little picture of Rich Frawning there on the back here. And it says the next box is going to be curated by Steffi Cohen. Steffi Cohen, real strong girl. I saw her on a podcast once. Real strong girl. So this is cool stuff. Box, I can't believe it. This is good. Veteran-owned business, as it says right here inside the box. Another Gainz box for you right here. Again, as I've said in my videos before, you know, typically I'm skeptical with this type of stuff because sometimes I see a lot of stuff like this as being a ripoff. But this, I would renew it. I think I would do it again because, again, I like getting stuff in the mail. And this seems to be worthwhile. It seems to be worth it. Little snacks and stuff come in. You know, it's a subscription that you pay by the month or whatever, and they send you a little something every month in the mail. It's cool. It's cool. If you have a hobby and you're a weightlifter, why not? They have them for other things. So why not spend a little money on yourself? Give a brother a like. Give a brother a subscription. Give a brother a share. That's it. Gainz box. We're done. Boom.